Hello there. I think I'm like a year late to doing this, but whatever. I'm kind of just like having lunch. Already sucking at this. Okay, so this is my first time trying toast with beans, beans with toast, whatever. They're like sweet beans and just regular bread, toasted bread. It's completely homemade. My mom just made those beans from literally the jars. And I have some salad here too, just because it's so good. Okay, let's start, I guess. I used to hate sweet beans. In my culture, there's a way we do these kind of beans in a salty way with chicken. Or lamb, whichever you prefer. I prefer chicken. If I look sleepy or tired, that's because I literally just woke up from a nap and I was hungry. And if you're wondering that, why would I have taken my time to set up a camera if I was hungry? That's because I had a few bites already. So I always do this when my mom makes anything. I taste test it. I don't know if that's a thing everybody does, but sometimes I don't like what mom makes. Sometimes I don't like the ingredients that mom uses. For example, we don't usually eat beans like that. We eat them with rice. And she made rice. White rice, actually. I love white rice. I love any rice, really. But it tasted weird. I don't know if it's the rice type. The rice oil that she used. I don't know what it is. It was just weird. But yeah, I actually like sweet beans now. I don't know why, but I also never liked sweet food and salty, like dinner food before. Now I do. Like, I love sweet and sour chicken. The reason I didn't like sweet beans, because for me, anything with rice should be salty, right? So, the salad has cucumbers, tomatoes. Is that cilantro? I think that's what it's called. onions, and lemon juice all over. I genuinely like this salad. And I'm not like a healthy salad eating person. I mean, sometimes I am, but not right now. It's actually good. I was gonna set up my mic for like higher quality audio, but too much work. It's not too much work. I mean, it's just, I want to eat already. I need the energy. I've been lazy all day. Funny enough. So, after waking up, I randomly have that energy, and now I'm like, I need to eat something and then do something productive with my time. I feel like my head is cropped. Quality videos. I didn't even show my food. Didn't take no thumbnail kind of picture. Nothing. So my opinion on sweet beans with toast, they're definitely better than with rice. Like I said, that's how we normally have them. I don't see salty beans being good with toast though, so. Literally the only nutritious thing I had today. Huh. I might have some room for something else, maybe something sweet. My mom had recently made baklava. Okay, so I know that the camera changed and the background and my face. I took like 5 minutes to fix my face for another video, but now I have some tea, cinnamon tea, and some baklava. It's like really messy, but I'll show you better. So this is some homemade baklava. We didn't buy that at the store. My mom made it. So it looks like. Okay, so there it goes. So this baklava doesn't have any pistachios in it. They normally do, but not this one. I believe it has crushed cashews and crushed peanuts. And a lot of sugar. feel like this is an underrated dessert. Outside of the Middle East. When I tell people about it, they usually don't know what it tastes like, or they say they've never tried it. Or like they would have tried the store-bought ones. And we all know store-bought ones aren't good. I'm pretty picky with my sweets, but for the most part, I like homemade sweets. Donuts are great and all, but homemade cookies, for example, are where it's at. I love homemade cookies. The more texture, the better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.